Happy Wednesday, everyone. Here are the three things that we're going to work on today. You are going to finish reading the young Cam Jansen book, and I think the last few pages, you're going to read the last couple of chapters, and then finish the conclusion. And it says, who ate the cookie? And you have to write that on the line. And what clues did Cam use to figure it out? So fill in the last couple of pages of your booklet, and then we'd like for you to take a picture of the whole booklet and send it our way so we can see how you filled it in, because we'd like to see your answers for that. So go ahead and finish that. And then you can take an AR test on this book. This is an AR book. So go ahead and take a test on it. Also, this book series, Young Cam Jansen, there's lots of different books in the series. So if you liked this book, you can read more of these books and take more AR tests on them. So if that's something you like, you can look for those as well. Now I want to move into math. And remember on Monday we talked about adding two digits together, and we used our base 10 blocks to do that. Well, I want to review that, but I also want to see if there's other strategies we can use. And when I look at 35 and 65, and I know that I'm going to add the ones together, and I'm going to add the numbers that are in the tens place together. And when I look at the ones, I know that 5 and 5 are partners of 10. So I already know that I'm going to have to make an exchange, and I'm going to have to move that 10 over to this side. So if you can see the partners of 10, you can do that pretty easily in your mind to be able to add those up. So I hope you had fun with the vending machine and adding up the two-digit numbers together, because that's something you'll do a lot more when you get to second grade. So it's just kind of a glimpse into what you get to do later when you get a little bit older. In your math workbook, we're going to do page 205, and it's the math boxes. So it's the page where we kind of review some of the topics that we've done before. So number 1 says, how are squares different from other rectangles? Choose the best answer. So is it because they are polygons? Are they different because they are blue? Are they different because they have 3 sides? Or are they different because the sides are all the same length? So how are squares different than rectangles? Whatever you think is the best answer, fill in the bubble. Just one bubble. Number 2 says shade 1/4 of the rectangle. 1/4, so not a half. Remember we talked about halves? So when we want to split something in half, you have to make sure you do it equally down the middle. If you want to separate it into 4 equal parts, you're going to have to draw a line down the middle and then a line across into 4 equal parts. So it says to shade in or color in one of those squares. And then number 3, divide one circle in half. Divide one circle in fourths. So this circle you're going to divide in half. This circle you're going to divide into fourths. And color the circle with the bigger parts. So if you were to share this, if it was a cookie and you had to share it, which one would give you a bigger piece? The 1/4 or the 1/2? And they want you to color that circle. Number 4 says use your base 10 blocks. Of course, you don't have them, but you can draw them out and make exchanges if you need to. Here we're going to add 57 plus 9. Then number 5, do these clocks show the same time? So look at these clocks. Are they showing the same time? And explain how you know. So just whatever you're thinking in your mind, just write your thoughts down right here so we know how you knew the answer to that.